Hey there, my name is Harrison Greenough. I'm a realtor in Maryland, and I'm making a video series here to help you guys figure out how to put in a really strong offer and, in general, what the offer contains, and explain each document so that you fully understand it before you sign those documents, and to help, for example, buyers and sellers that are working without an agent to understand them, because ultimately, although I am a real estate agent and I write these contracts every day, I want you guys to have the ability to understand them even if you aren't using an agent. So look through our videos, rewind them, replay them, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me directly. Thanks, and let's get started. I'm going to be talking to you today about the blank addendum in Maryland. So this is a pretty broad one, but it has a really important purpose, and it's basically the way that you communicate any changes to the contract, because you can't simply cross out things arbitrarily. You have to put everything in writing. So in this case, you have the addendum or the amendment, the addendum number, contract of sale, the original date. You have the buyers, the sellers, the property you're purchasing, and it says for valuable consideration, receipt of which is hereby acknowledged, we, the undersigned parties, hereby agree as follows. And then you'll state whatever it is, and then it says all other terms and conditions of the contract shall remain the same and in full force and effect. And then the buyers and sellers sign. Now, the situation here, I have an example. A closing date to be set no later than April 12th of 2022. This is arbitrary, and this is not what it has to deal with. It could say something along the lines of a $500 credit is sent to the buyer, or an inclusion of a chattel item that will be, which means just a non-real estate item that will be transferred with the property. It is often used for closing date extensions. So if the closing date needs to be extended, this is the document you will be using, and you will state something along the lines of closing date set to no later than XYZ date. And then once it's been signed by all parties, then that becomes part of the contract. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions or you would like to talk about potentially buying or selling a property, please feel free to contact me. My information is below, and I would love to reach out to you and talk. So feel free to contact me, and have a great rest of your day.